My presentation, my name is Jaisingh and I'm from Guyana. I'm doing a PhD in management and my presentation is based on the importance and benefit of an implemented human resource information system in public offices in Guyana. For my summary, I would have concluded that the importance of this research is to highlight to the relevant authorities, which is the government, about the importance and benefit of an implemented human resource information system in public offices in Guyana, so as to have an efficient and effective function and performance of public office in the public service of Guyana. The main finding in this research is that great benefits public offices in Guyana, such as the Integrity Commission, will derive with the implementation of human resource information system in each one of them. Such benefits will derive in the areas of electronic record keeping, which is data recording, storage, and retrieval electronically, accounting functions, recruitment application tracing, prepare retirement, training, which deals with retraining and retooling, time and labor management, attendance and absence, performance appraisal, benefit administration, employee self-service, human resource development, career guidance, that is professional growth and development, and compliance. There will be one centralized source of information in each public office where there will be easy access and accurate information when needed. The image that is highlighted on the screen there is shows the uses, the general uses of human resource information system, which also can greatly benefit the public offices in Guyana, which shows there are different areas in human resource planning and analysis, such as organization chart, skill inventories, and such. You have also in the area of equal employment, which deals with workforce utilization, availability analysis, etc. It also can assist in staffing with such areas in recruitment, so recruiting sources, application tracking. It also helps, as I mentioned before, human resource development, which deals with training needs, succession planning, in areas of compensation and benefit, which deals with pay structure, vacation usage, benefit usage, and such. Also in the area of health, safety, and security, such as safety training, accident records, all these can be kept. And also in the area of employee and labor relation, which is very important in any public office or any organization, deals with union renegotiating, audit records, attitude, service, and such. We also went on that this research is very important, dealing with so what, and relevant to all public offices in Guyana, especially in this growing era of technology that is constantly changing. With an implemented HRIS in every public offices, there will be one centralized source of information that is accurate and up-to-date. This in turn will greatly enhance the efficiency, effectiveness of, and performance of public offices in Guyana, such as the Integrity Commission. Without an HRIS, public offices will not be keeping up with the advancement of electronic storage and the other great benefits offered by an implemented HRIS. Information is very crucial to these offices, especially that of their most prized asset, which is humans, and also in decision making. This can be greatly hampered when information is stored manually, which can lead to inaccuracy, timeliness, inaccessibility, and outdated of information. Technology is becoming the way of life today, so we all have to change our organization for survival. The background of this research. Over the year, paperwork and human resource has increased tremendously in Guyana public offices. With this increase, the use of information system has become very important, and the recording of vital information of its human assets. They are very important to the public office of Guyana since they require performing work in office. A human resource information for public office, such as that of the Integrity Commission, is based on the premise that it is used to acquire, we can store, manipulate, analyze, retrieve, and distribute information related to the company human resource. An efficient and effective human resource information system for public offices are needed to cope with the changing circumstances of technological environment and the employers. Government need to develop and implement a coherent and defensible HRIS, because we know that person can hack into any, with the use of technology, persons can hack in. So government need to build a coherent and a defensible HRIS to assist them and their employee with their everyday tasks on the job and to make important decisions. A HRIS in every public office in Guyana can be a roadmap for this journey of keeping up with the use of technological environment and suggest ways for survival. This implemented HRIS success or failure depends on government decision and assistance in having an HRIS properly implemented in all public offices. So if we do not have the support from the government and important stakeholders in terms of the implementation, we can all create a human resource information thing, but if it's not properly implemented, the survival can be devastating. An HRIS in Guyana Public Office give clear sense of vision for the public service of Guyana. It can focus on strategic importance, benefits, and improve the understanding of the changing technological environment. There are many successes of an implemented HRS in public and private organizations in today's world, such as companies in countries of North America, United States, Asia, the Middle East, and even in the Caribbean. It even guarantees their survival in this competitive market where technology is changing so rapidly. In India, we have seen and I have read that human resource information is used more in the service area than in the manufacturing area. In the health sector, it's proven to be very useful in that area. The methods that's used for this research. The Guyana public offices such as that of the Integrity Commission and 10 important HRIS concepts was chosen for this research. The method used was of qualitative in nature, where secondary data from research into reports on its information system and paper storage in public offices of Guyana.
Hi, Amanda. You got another 2 minutes more.
Journals, articles, and website on HRIS. Results. HRIS can be used in areas of HR planning analysis, equal employment, staffing, HR development, compensation and benefit, health, safety and security, and employee and labor relation. But this research, yes, I'm listening. Okay, but this research had focused on the benefits of implemented HRIS in public office. For electronic record, we can see it can help in terms of recording incorrect information. It will help to reduce storage space requirement, decrease equipment and labor costs. In accounting function, it can help in human resource policies, the payroll procedure, document and system to identify needs for improvement, because there's one centralized payroll system at the Ministry of Finance in Guyana, and it can also assist in auditing process. We have with technology now, you can do recruitment online, applicant tracing, you can prepare retirement, and so on. Very useful is in the area of training, retraining, and retooling. This can benefit public service because once information is kept, we can have all areas knowing employee weakness, employee strength, where they need training, and such. Also in the area of time and labor management, their attendance and absence. We can know when employees are late or how we lost organization in the public service, they lost productivity. All these can be kept under time and labor management. Very important, performance appraisal, the feedback of employee performance on the job. In storing these information in human resource information, it can provide proper feedback in terms of giving them, they can get their benefit, who are performing and who are not performing. Benefit administration, employees can be benefit, you can keep track of that, insurance, profit sharing, retirement benefit, and such. Employee self-service, employee no longer have to go physically to their supervisor. They can do service online by themselves and avoid going to someone. This can especially motivate that individual and build their morale. We talk very importantly on human resource development in career guidance, professional growth and development. They can receive training online. We have the public service. Every employee is being encouraged. And lastly, we deal with compliance. Store and retrieve information such as tax, which is a very required in human resource information. An integrated human resource information with the above concept will make the work of the public easier, efficient, and effective and productive, thus guarantee survival of public office in this competitive global technological changing environment. Implement the HRS in public office by the following 5 steps: planning, analysis, design, implementation, and maintenance. Concluding, human resource information system is very relevant, useful, and important, especially in today's dynamic working environment, which kept changing due to global and technology. There is great importance of a human resource information and how it can benefit and contribute to public offices' efficiency and effective in the 10 concepts identified. Although it has its challenges, such as it being costly. HRIS is expensive and has its limitation, but the benefits are greater in the long run for an organization.